We got the 2016 Mustang. It's a V6. He came in and needed a little bit of a repair, but I'm gonna show you what he did to get this sound and show you what we repaired. So he came in with this Flowmaster X pipe right here. I guess he tried to do this in his driveway or something, because this is the section we did today. It had like 3-4 clamps. Like, it was like a big mess. I should have taken a video prior, but I didn't. But anyway, so that's the section we did. And then right back here is we have these Flowmaster resonators right here, the aftermarket ones. And that's it, guys. So we're gonna bring it down and let you guys hear it. Also, we're franchising, remember, so if you want to own a G exhaust, just click the link in the description below and we'll give you all the details and everything. All right, let's hear this thing.
What size motor is in there?
Bailame gogodán, brinca como Tarzán, me encaramo arriba de ti, te como un flan, la bola se me inflan, claro que se me inflan, no te estás jamaqueando como que son un flan.
Answer, bro! V6, bro. Not a V.